no, it broke.
The goal was to first set up either counseling or something in place so that when
I mean, I've had them for a while, but
she had someone
so
to help,
what?
had other people to help.
Oh my God! All right, wait. What's? Oh.
I have found out the truth from my dad's side. I was sent a link, and it was actually a link to my dad's website.
This is one of my favorite red lips. I don't know how I'm gonna put that on, but I guess we'll figure it out. Oh my God. Jesus. Hello, y'all. Okay, and today we are going to get into my favorite red lipsticks. Listen, I'm a red lip girly. I love red lipsticks. Nothing compares to a red lip. Right now I have on a nude lip. I think this is Velvet. Is it warm? The writing on this is so small. This is Warm Teddy by MAC. Okay, I like this one. I just, you know, want to wear a nice little nude. And it just blends so effortlessly with the makeup and the beat. So, but today, I'm going to be getting into my red lips. Because, honey, it is winter. And in the winter, what do? We red lip it out. Alright, first I gotta find something to take this off so that we can get into these red lips. And I will be buying more red lips, but these are just the ones that I have now that I like and I will be rocking all winter. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm back. Now let's take this off. Got us a little Marcella water. And the first one I'm gonna go with is the all-time classic. And that is none other than MAC Ruby Woo. Okay, back to business. This is a Milani pencil, cause never mind. It's more affordable. And this is Ruby Woo. Stunning. Absolutely stunning, honey. What you say? Stunning. Okay. All right, let's wash this out. Okay. It's so pretty, I don't even want to take it off. But let's take it off. Next. Back in with the Milani. I'm doing nothing with creams right now because the liquid lips, they're extremely staining. So I'm going in order of least to worst staining. She broke earlier, y'all. I think Rihanna discontinued these, but she's Fenty. She's one of the Mademoiselles. She's amazing, but she just broke. Hold on. She's old though. I had her for a while. Probably why she broke. Another beautiful red. This one's a little bit more orangey. It's red, but it has a little bit more orange in it than the other one, than Ruby Woo does to me. It's very... but it's still fly. Alright, let's take it off. I've got the staining. You just use your foundation brush, touch you back up, and you're back in business. The next one is really staining, so I'm gonna have to go get me some more tissue because it's Juvia's Place, and it's highly pigmented and it's very staining, and it's not even a liquid lip. It is a cream, and it's still extremely staining. They're starting to get stained now. I don't know how we're gonna make it through the other ones. This is more like a deep red. It's like wine. I feel like when I put this on, my name should be Bernadette or something. Like, I look like Brenda. My name should be Brenda when I wear this, okay? But I think it's a rather real nice fall red. It's just, it doesn't get much use out of me. Just put it that way, okay? It gets worn, but not like that. No, not on me. To be fair, this looks a lot better in person than it does on camera. On camera, I look like I smoke Newports, but Newport 100s, straight out the pack. But no, it looks better in person. And no, I don't smoke. Never smoked. But this lipstick look like I do, okay? I think it's rather elegant in person. To me, it's really rather elegant in person. But I also feel like it's a color that would look best on me with my hair pulled back in a bun. You know, it's one of those types. It's very wine colored, very burgundy. I told y'all she was staining. She's really, Juvia's Place does not play with their pigments. And that goes with all of this stuff. They don't play. All right. Next, this one, she is really, like, she's like number 2 actually she's like number 3, because the Ruby Woo and the Fenty Red, the Mademoiselle Red are my favorites. But this one, this is like this is my number 1 liquid. I also have, wait, where'd it go? I have the Fenty Stunner. I'm gonna try that on last because she's very pigmented as well, and she stains, highly stains. So we're gonna get into the lip bar because Here we go. I always need to outline when it comes to liquid lip, because woo. This is another deep red. Deep. These are more sexy than anything else. I think like late night reds. You know, the... Oh, I'm losing myself. Okay. Alright, but see how you pull the hair back. And it has a whole different effect. It just looks different. It looks better when you pull the hair back. I like the brighter reds. You know. So, this is about to be a fight. Removing this red. But she's stunning in person. Alright, let's see. I need a whole lot. Nothing barely moved. Just messing up all my makeup, you know? Just messing it all up. Okay. Back with the Milani lip liner. And next we're going with the Stunna. She has a applicator for this. Lord. I just look red mouth. Like all over my mouth just looks red. I'm looking for my poof that I put my powders on with. Oh, here we go. What? Alright. I just rubbed my liner off. Yeah, I didn't think about that too deep. Ooh. See this? Like, just why? Like, it's so, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. And this is the Stunna red lip paint. Ruby Woo is still my favorite. Out of all of them, she's still that girl. She's that girl. Followed by this girl. And then the rest follow. And that is my red lipstick collection. I'm gonna buy more though. I'm gonna add some more to it. I did see some more in MAC, but also in Juvia's Place. that I wanted to add to it. But what is up with the price of makeup? Like, Juvia's Place lipsticks for like 18 bucks now. So what is that about? What is that about, Juvia? No, I'm just playing. Everybody gotta eat, I understand. All right, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Make sure you check in, subscribe, like, comment. I'm watching.